This is the Kisan Newton 30 Currency Fitness Discriminator. And in this video, we're going to demonstrate sorting a stack of bills by denomination. First thing you want to do is tap the mode key to see the word value next to the flag there. Okay. Then hold the mode key down till the screen changes. All right. So on the top here, you want to tap that first gray box, tap denom to turn it on. Okay. You see there's numbers there. The second one, you want that to be blank. So if you tap on it, you can turn off whatever's turned on. So that's a blank row. This third one down, it does have the possibility of having entries, but you do want that to be blank as well. So make sure that's turned off. The bottom one you can't change in this mode, so it'll always blank. So basically you want to have the bottom three blank and these top two to designate your denomination. So if you tap on the number, you can change what happens to go into that box, turn them on and off. You can have multiple things in a box if you want. I don't know why you'd want to have multiple things in a box, but you could. For my purposes, I'm going to have a 1 in the A pocket and 5 in the B pocket. So 1s and 5s. Okay. I'm going to take my stack of bills. All right. The first thing is going to be a $1 bill. Hit the start stop button to go back to the main menu. Okay, so I have my batch count set at 50. So this first bin reached 50. Okay, so 51s came out, some 5s came out at the bottom. A 20 came out here because it's looking for 1s and 5s. It's not looking for 20s, 10s, or anything else. So anything that's not a 1 or not a 5 is going to come out in here. So if I take my first 50, it'll start up. My next 50, I had a cruddy $1 bill got rejected. And then my remaining balance here. Now, anything rejects here, you can tap this REJ and see why. The other denominations is fine. There's an overbatch, which because when I hit a 50 count batch, there was an extra $1 bill stuck in the machine and it had to send it somewhere, so I sent it up to the top. Same thing with the can't design. All right. The other denominations are my 5s and 20s. Okay, so I got my 1s and 5s. I can, if I want, stick this back on, this little stack of bills. Again, it's set for 1s and 5s, so my 20s and 10s are going to reject again. Right, and then that couple $1 bills that were overbatch came out at the back end. It's a small stack, so I could have done that manually. However, if you have a large stack of bills, you can just set it on top. Now I have 10s and 20s, and obviously I could sort these by hand, but if I had a large stack, I could, if I wanted to, go back into my mode and reset these for 10 and 20. And then when I put my stack back on, my 10s here and my 20s there. All right. So that's the basic of sorting by denomination. This is good for people who know they have, say, a stack of all 20s and they want to specify that they all go here, but they want to make sure anything else goes down here or in the reject. Some people have change machines where people put in a $1 bill or a $5 bill and they get back quarters or tokens. It's good for sorting out the 1s and 5s from your change machine, things like that. Most people are going to use the standard sorting and not sorted by denomination, but it is a feature in case it's something you need. Again, this is the Kisan Newton 30 Currency Fitness Discriminator.